Okay, now let's apply what constructions of angles we've learned so far to construct a triangle. So we have to construct triangle ABC such that angle BAC is 90 degrees and angle ABC 60 degrees, and the line AB equals 8 centimeters. So you know the base angle is AB, right? So take your rule and draw a line as we'll be doing. So after you've finished drawing the line, you take your rule and measure 8 centimeters, right? Measure 8 centimeters from your rule. 8 centimeters from your rule. Okay, so measuring 8 centimeters from 0 to 8, really. So not from 1 to 8, or from 0, because we are counting the interval. Okay, so this is 8 centimeters. Stand at one end of the line, strike an arc, and then you stand at that arc that you have constructed and strike an arc, and the line is AB, so label it AB. Okay, now we have to construct angle BAC, so the angle should be at A. As I told you earlier, the letter in the middle is where you construct the angle. As usual, with any convenience radius, draw 180 degrees on or at A. Okay, so 90 degrees, we say we need to stand on this arm of the 180 degrees and stand here 100 and at the other arm of 180 degrees. Then you bisect in between the two arcs, right? So stand on one arc, strike an arc, stand on the second one, strike an arc. Then you draw a line through the intersection of the arcs. Okay, then make sure it passes through the intersection exactly to the point A. This is the angle we want, so draw with a very thick line. Now after you are done with that, come and draw a semicircle at B. Why are we doing that? Because we have to construct 60 degrees as what? B. And as we know, to construct 60 degrees, the radius you use to construct the semicircle, use that same radius. Stand at the inner arm of the 160 and strike an arc. Have you seen it? So the arc you have struck is actually the 60 degrees. Locate the intersection of that. Okay, so this is the intersection of it, and draw a line through it. Okay, sorry, to enter into the writing. Draw a line through it to B. Okay, so do it. So with a thick line, sorry, I have to enter into the writing. Okay, so extend the 90 degrees so that you form a triangle, because they ask you to construct a triangle. So this is going through. Now extend this one as well to make sure that it meets the 90 degrees arm to form a triangle. So I'm going to label here the intersection of this place C. So this is a triangle with a base 8 centimeters and 90 degrees angle at A and 60 degrees angle at B.